Hi everyone, and welcome to this demonstration of WriteBack for Power BI. WriteBack is a powerful tool for your Power BI reports that lets your users input data directly through them. WriteBack is a no-code custom visual that writes directly to your database without overwriting your existing data. It includes authentication and auditing to help you govern the solution. Any actionable process can be used with WriteBack, ranging just from a simple comment all the way to updating values on a table or forecasting. Let's get started with a commenting example. Over here, we have a dashboard that lets us see the performance of our shipments across a given quarter and year. Alternatively, if we want to provide a comment on a more line by line basis, for example, like in here, where we have some shipments that were late, I can select them and provide just a simple text comment without the need for the rich text, like the one above. I can do it in here on these two lines that were shipped late. So I can say that we need to look into this, for example, with a mid priority. After I submit and refresh the data, we can see our comments right away displayed over here.